to the blue specs. Hello guys, and this is my first video ever. Okay, it's my first video ever. I am Man, and today it's my first video. Oh, okay, nice. Okay, you may feel like that, but what's this channel going to do? We're going to make everything. We're going to do anything. Cooking, computer, playing, art and craft and learning. Everything. So, let's begin our journey from blue glasses. Now, what are we going to learn today? We're going to learn how to set wallpapers. So, the first question is, when you started your online journey, how did you feel? Boring, I guess, right? You cannot meet friends and you can meet your teachers, you cannot go to school campus. So I think you may feel like sad. And so one day you open your laptop and you get bored, right? Because there's no wallpaper in that. Today I'm going to teach you how to set wallpaper in especially computers. Let's begin. Hi. So yeah, we have this laptop. It was not opening. So this is a boring wallpaper, right? So I have collect some photos like this toucan photo you can see over here, or the red panda photo. So, but you may be thinking how this photo came here. So we'll go in browser, okay, and I'm going to teach you how to save these photos. So let it load, okay. So just loaded, it's loading, okay. So now I'm going to search over here. I think I'll search over here panda. Everyone likes panda, right? So PAN panda. So D is X panda and enter. Sorry, I pressed pandex. Okay, whatever. I'm going to do. What is this? What is this? Designer panda official music? What is that? Anyways, so we'll go over here and we'll click a photo. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, I'll just search for a while. Search for a while. Let me search for a while. Okay, it's loading, coming down. Okay, I'll search for a while till you guys just wait. Thank you. Few minutes later. Guys, I found it from a few minutes. Where's my mouse cursor? Yes. After a few minutes, I got this photo. It's a nice photo. So my cursor is on this photo, this panda head or photo. Okay, now I'm going to right click. Now what is right click? So this is a mouse, okay. So this mouse is actually divided in half. This is the right half and this is the left half. Okay, so if I do right click, so these options may come, after which is save image or save photo. Mine has save photo, and I know why you might be thinking why the camera is shaking, because I am holding it. My laptop is old, that's why I cannot do screen recording. I'm sorry for that. Okay, so now I have the option of save image as. Okay, so now load. It's named as images. We're going to make it into blah 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 blah, whatever you want. Now we're going to save this in desktop. If we save it in downloads, documents, it will be automatically the computer will make it into documents or downloads. But if you save this in desktop, you can find it easily, and that way you can do this. So now we are going to go in desktop. We save it in desktop. We have already, and we have this button over here, save. So now this kind of things will pop out, and then you can just go with desktop. Now, if maybe you might don't know, but there's a button like here, like the line. If you click on that line, you can go to the desktop. Now I'm going to change this boring wallpaper into a nice wallpaper. So again, you're going to do right click It may load and then go to personalize. Okay, now I have already these photos. Now I'm going to do browse. Okay, after doing browse, yeah, so this may pop out and desktop may pop out. Okay, now we're going to find this photo that we typed, the flutter fluffer baba, whatever that was. Now choose the picture. It may come here. Yeah, the panda is here, and we click on this, and then we go out here. Where is my slip? And what happened? Wait, yeah, sorry. So we get the wallpaper. Now, yeah, but you want the browser's wallpaper, Google's wallpaper. This may only happen in computers, so please. And yeah, I'll come and get another photo. I'll be right back. I cannot wait. He has went the man, the he, the whatever. He has went to find a photo on the computer about a calabil toucan. He may take a few hours because he's very, 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 very slow. You're telling Mr. Phone, I'm not slow. I am not slow. It will not take me hours, okay, Mr. Phone? Do not do next time. Okay, so now I'm just going to do everything. I actually saved another photo about the Kill Bill toucan. I am going to make a video about that after this video. So we'll just cross this up, okay? And there may be a sign like this, customize Chrome. Okay, you can or it may be a pencil over there. I have this customized Chrome, and maybe there you may have a pencil. Okay, so you click on this and you get this. Now there are many options like this, so you can click on here, okay, and you can get these options. But if you want your nicest toucan or whatever, you said you can do upload from the device, okay. It may take a while. Now you again go to desktop and find my toucan. So where is my key toucan? Here it is. But I have saved some other photos. Okay, so I'm going for toucan and I'm going to do open. Now this comes. Now you can also change these borders. So I'm going to also teach you. So now it becomes a pencil, little pencil. So you can do pencil. And now you can go to color and theme. So once you go in color and theme, what will happen? See. So like these come out and you can choose this. So now the borders are color. I will put red. Red looks nice. Okay, so we are done. So we set up the wallpaper of the desktop and the Google browser. Bam bam. And yeah, this is today's video. Hope you had fun for today's video. I really think you had fun. Setting a wallpaper is a big job. Not that big. Okay. I would also again warn you that in Windows company you may check it that if you affect the wallpaper in the desktop, the word files effects may get affected. I warn you again. I'm warning for the first time, I guess. Yes, I think I'm warning for the first time. Sorry. So I'm just warning that in the Windows 7, I have a Windows 7 computer. This is my brother's computer. Okay, and in Windows 7, if you put wallpaper, the word files color does get affected. So please check it out. In this computer does not happen, but you should check it out. Yeah, you don't like when the word file gets kaboom, destroyed. Did anything get really destroyed? I'll just check it out. But tune in next time. Please wait for my next video, and I will be next very soon. Bye.